Hello guys, my name is Arthur. As always, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will unbox and test my new microphone, Tonor TC30, the best budget condenser mic for your Mac or PC. I will show you all its quirks and features, and I will compare it with my current microphone, Blue Yeti Nano, which is by the way 2 times more expensive. I will also compare the sound from both microphones to my built-in mic on my 16-inch M1 Pro MacBook. Apparently it also has a decent mic, but I never had a chance to use it. Let's find out together which one is better for its price and what product offers you more for less money. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. Tonor TC30 is one of the best budget USB microphones for creators available on the market today. This little microphone is ideal for gaming, podcasting, Zoom meetings, streaming, or recording voice-off for YouTube videos or other video content. While being relatively cheap, this budget microphone promises crystal clear communication with its anti-vibration shock mount, giving you a stress-free experience with its plug-and-play setup and space-saving design. The price of this microphone is $42.99 or around $30 in America. Well, everything is cheaper in America, besides gas. Just kidding. Inside the box you will find the microphone itself, USB-C to USB-A cable, a little tripod to fix the microphone on your desk, and even a pop filter, so you have 2 accessories already included in the price of this product, which is kinda cool. For example, my Blue Yeti Nano does not include a pop filter. I had to purchase it separately, which means I had to pay more for an already relatively more expensive product. Another cool feature is the USB-C connector. Actually, you can replace the standard USB-C to USB-A cable with a USB-C to USB-C one and plug in your mic directly to your Mac without using any dongles at all. This is actually a very cool feature. We need to have more USB-C products out there. The TC30 has an excellent off-axis suppression function, allowing it to capture more natural sound and suppress unwanted background noise. TC30 is compatible with Windows, macOS and Linux. There is no assembly or additional driver required. Simply attach the pop filter to the tripod and you're good to go. It has also an anti-vibration shock mount, which is very unusual for this price range product. Anti-vibration shock mount prevents unwanted noise from other desktop accessories like the mouse and keyboard, or accidental touches. It's really important when you're recording podcasts or voice off for your videos. Here you can see some technical specs. Well, actually, the entire video was recorded with a Tonor TC30 microphone, so you can already get an idea of how it sounds. It's just okay. I mean, for its price, it sounds even very good. You can always toggle settings in the Final Cut or any other post-production app. For beginners, it will be more than enough. Now let's compare the sound of Tonor TC30 versus Blue Yeti Nano versus standard built-in mic. Now the sound comes from Tonor TC30 microphone, without any presets or post-production effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price of this microphone is $42.99. It's good for most people out there, it's simple to use, it has good looking design and 2 accessories already included in the box. Now the sound comes from my Blue Yeti Nano mic without any presets or post-production effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This microphone costs around €100. It does not have USB-C connector and does not include a pop filter in the box. Now the sound comes from my standard built-in studio mic from my MacBook Pro 16-inch with M1 Pro chip. Apple says it has some improved quality mics. Well, I would not rely on this mic for anything more serious than a FaceTime call. Guys, in my opinion, Tonor TC30 is the best entry-level microphone for most users. The biggest feature for me is the USB-C connector, so I don't have to use dongles with my MacBook. I will leave links for this product in the description of this video. If you like this little review and unboxing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye.